Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create and insert progress bars in Google Sheets. So to do this is pretty simple. As you can see here, I have a progress bar. So to do this, all you have to do is copy and paste this. So it's going to be equals, sparkline, then we start with C2, which is this one, which is the sales, and then the goal, which is going to be the chart type, and then comma, bar, and then you have this, and then max, and then D2, which is this one. So here, when you change it to 100, it will just reduce more. So when we do this 20, it just goes more and more on the progress bar. So you can change the color of the progress bar if you want to, just saying you can do so, but if you want to, you can change it to its other colors. So there you go guys, this is how you make your own progress bar. Just copy this code if you want to, pause the video if you do so, and there you go. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.